Hi, and welcome to a tour on how to add a market watch. To do this, you'll have to log into the AXE version and select view on the left top of the page and scroll down to new market watch, select NSE. Now new market watch by default with S&P CNX Nifty added to it will be shown in your system. To add on to new stocks, just keep the cursor on S&P CNX Nifty and right click to it, select add security. Now there will be a select checker box where the exchange by default would be NSE, and to add on to equity stocks the segment should be cash, and if you know the script ID, select script ID, else you just select script name and key in the name of the stock that you want to add on. Let's for example add over here Reliance. To do that, we'll have to key in the name Reliance and click on to find. Now this will throw a ticker lookup box which will give a list of stocks that start with the name Reliance. We want to add on to Reliance Industries, so we can select that and click on to OK. Now you'll have Reliance added to your market watch. To add on to more stocks, you do the same procedure. Select add security, select script name and key in the name of the stock. Now let's add Infosys. So to do that, we'll key in Infosys and give find, and we can get the symbol of Infosys in that. If you had noticed, every stock symbol will be suffixed by EQ. That is how stocks are added in the NSE market watch. Now we have added that, and to delete it, you need to just right click on the stock that you want to delete and select delete security. Now we have done that to Reliance. After adding to the stocks that you want to be in the market watch, please right click and select save and give a name for it. Over here let's give market watch NSE 4 and give yes. Now this will save the market watch to your system, and you can find a lot of columns on the top of the page, each indicating certain parameters like the weighted average, the exchange, the total buy quantity, etc. You can delete the column if you do not want to by right clicking on the column and selecting delete. The same way you have to repeat the same procedure to each and every column that you do not want to, and then selecting delete column. Once you do this, you can actually save it again, and then you can also add on to the columns by just right clicking and selecting insert column. Just select the parameter which you want to add on to, like 52-week high or any other thing, and then select add and give OK. Now that parameter will also be added to your market watch. You can also drag and position the column anywhere you desire, and also auto size the column just by right clicking and selecting auto size, and you'll have to repeat the procedure for each and every column which you want to auto size. Similarly, you can do for a row by just right clicking on the row and selecting auto size. Once all these are done, we always suggest the market watch to be saved. Right click and give save, and you will see a lot of columns with bid quantity, bid price, offer price, etc. Bid quantity is the number of shares a buyer is willing to buy, and bid price is the price at which the buyer is willing to buy. For example, over here in Infosys, a buyer is ready to buy 33 quantity. Now here it is 24 shares at a price of 3030, and offer price is the price at which the seller is ready to sell, and offer quantity is the number of shares that the seller is ready to sell. Over here it is a seller is ready to sell 109 shares of Infosys at 3031.8, and this keeps blinking as and when there is a change in the price. LTP is nothing but the last traded price. TTQ is the total traded quantity for the day. So far in the day, Infosys is traded to the extent of 2,71,300, and percentage change is the difference between the price of Infosys yesterday's closing price and today's price in terms of percentage. Open, high, low, close are the prices of Infosys at the time of opening, the high so far, the low so far, and yesterday's close. With the scripts on your market watch in front of your system and trading just a click away, we wish you a very happy trading session. Stay invested, stay happy. Thank you.